Introducing Drio Smart Wall Heater, Electric Space Heater. 4-bedroom 1500 watts 120 vertical oscillation. Helping to bring fast heat to every corner of your room more efficiently than regular wall-mounted heaters. You can also control it by mobile app from anywhere. Set the room temperature as you like. Choose from 41 to 95 Fahrenheit heat range with unprecedented 1 Fahrenheit heat accuracy. Best for bedroom, automatically adjust its LED panel brightness. Has cell-free installation, stress-free maintenance. Get your space easily. The package comes with all accessories, including a convenient drilling guide with easy-to-follow step. Keeping your wall-mounted heater like a new, super convenient thanks to its reusable filter and detachable design. Adjustable thermostat, remote control, 24 hours timer. So be remembered, Darrow Alexa model number WH719S. So, what are you waiting for? Order it now by Amazon.